Hey YouTube, check out this beautiful weather and the handsome little feller working hard here. We got a whole bunch of projects going on. This is the first day, dry day. Well, it's hardly dry. You can see the water standing everywhere. But it's the first sunshiny day in quite a while. This is our new log splitter. My boys got we bought it, gave 200 bucks for it, and the motor was just on its last leg. So we ran it a bit and it killed out. And Caleb's got a, where is it? Got an old Honda motor over there, 8-horse, that he's traded for, that he's working on, gonna put on there. We've got to buy the bracket to mount the pump to it, because it was a vertical shaft, and we're trading it out to a horizontal shaft. But anyhow, that dude's gonna be well worth his money. Got the old Ferguson. My boys got that running the other day. Got a little leak in the radiator that they've been patching on. We're gonna see how well that holds up. And that's the project for the day. Tell us about this one, buddy.
I don't know where Dad got it, but he got it somewhere.
Dad rolled up as usual in the old minivan. This old farmer had this thing, and we bought it for 50 bucks offline, and rolled up there in the minivan. He said, "Where are you gonna put it?" I said, "Well, I'm pulling the seats out and I'll just put it in the minivan." He said, "It won't haul that weight," but we hauled it. But tell me what you got done so far and what we lack.
This right here was bent, and all this was pushed forward, so we had to lay this out and hit it a couple times with that, flatten it all out.
Got some new bolts there, new bolts everywhere. Gonna have to make a weld right there. And we're really loving Hayden's shop. Check it out. Like, I think we ended up with a 12 by 12. But man, how nice it is to have a place to have the chop saw set up, a little bit of electricity, grinder, get the welder set up, keep the welding rods dry and out of the rain. Hayden started to hang up some tools, the chainsaw bars and old chains there, and Hayden's been organizing tool bins and whatnot. Of course, he's got his car in here to play with, but what a nice deal it's been thus far. And we measured the other day, and we've actually, I think we finally decided on a size. We're going to do a 30 by 40 shop, and it's going to sit right here. And we've actually got enough room on our pad. We got to bring this up a little bit so it's draining off, but other than that, we got enough room here. We're about ready to start building. Just as soon as dry weather sets in, we've got some poles cut, and we're going to start putting it up, and we're really going to be in business, be able to pull some of this stuff in. The old Massey Ferguson, Caleb rebuilt the the power steering pump on it, and one of the seals went out, and we had to buy a whole nother seal kit. But hopefully that'll come in the next couple days, and then we'll have it up and running too. We're trying to get everything ready for the plowing and getting some stuff planted. We're gonna have a gigantic garden this year, 2 or 3 different planting spots if we can. Never know, guys, with the coronavirus and the craziness that's going on, we may end up needing to have a little extra food to help somebody else along the way if things get tough. I know toilet paper's sure gone crazy. It'd be nice to, we've got enough where we can help people out if they need some. Not because we hoard, but with 16 kids, you never can have enough toilet paper, so we buy it in bulk whether there's corona around or not. About got that squared up. Not sure if our tractors are going to haul these double-bitted plows.
My tractor will do it.
Oh, yeah, Caleb's pretty sure the little diesel tractor is going to do it, but if not, we'll pull one plow off and we'll just have it as a single plow. But shoot, this thing was, before I bought it, it's got the Tractor Supply sticker on it. I think it was like a $350 plow.
It did say what it was.
Yeah, it's a pretty good little plow. Still got pretty good points on it. Well, that's the project for the day. Caleb's still talking about his tractor. He's got that diesel motor there that's just been itching to get it on. So hopefully in the next few days we'll get over. We've actually got to go do some work on the old house tomorrow, so on the roof. So we may get out there and get his tractor pulled home tomorrow when we get over there. But enjoy the sunshine, guys. Have a blessed day. And subscribe, like, give us a thumbs up, and a few good comments.